I'm feeling so high now. And this a feeling and
Yeah man, there you know, I walk and flag on the go, you see it? Who remember this? Jackass can. You see me? Yeah man, Jackass can, you see it? £1 for this, you know? £1, that's about $200, $190. How much a Jackass can in Jamaica now? Let me know in the comment section, you see it? Yeah man, so you don't know. Yeah, that's the thing there.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So I beg you to please take care of it. Anyone in the big up on the damn self, and I mean blessed love. The support is highly appreciated. Patience is the virtue, and remember, you might think you have it worse, but someone out there has it worse, so be grateful. Show gratitude. Now, if you're new to the channel and feel like subscribing, please consider clicking the bell so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Saying, manners and respect. Yeah, man, whole heap of love to each and everyone on the platform. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want to pay big respect to Silk Boss, new artist burst out on the scene. See? Yes, man, and also, what about local reason about the garrison in Jamaica, each and every garrison, everywhere in Jamaica, the man them who have found the badness and the support, you know. If they would have just did the opposite way, maybe think Jamaica would have been a better place up to this day. Zine, so you don't know we're going to pay the bills. Zine? Well, Chinaman Friday, the major device and lion foot in the ears and eyes. I represent for the real Indian, they don't know Kaipo. Them say big up every massive, every crew. Yeah, man. Black Pan Black edition. You don't know, so the 18th of December, Irish memories. You know, so slapper settings, elegant settings. See? So make sure you lock it down the diary and make it on a priority. Yes, man, the 18th of December. So I say just be prepared to come roll out with a good heart and a good mind and come have a good time. Yeah, man, I don't know, so location, venue will be announced closer to the date. Zin, so stay tuned while more information coming soon. Yeah, man, I don't know, the 18th of December, Irish memories, Black Pan Black edition. Big up the whole Blackburn Pen, the whole Spain land. You see me I say the whole Spanish town, PN land, Anna town. Big up everywhere. You see me I say Saturn no say a word, Shot no say a word. You me I say no man Kaipo no say a word. Your burglar no say a word. Tanto! Yeah man, what wicked them Tanto. 18th of December, roll out! Yeah man, Black Pan Black edition. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know the event at the 18th of December, sponsored by Kaipo, and I mean an Indian, real Indian. Sata, big up yourself. Zine, yeah man, look out for that event here. In London, take a slap press out. East, West, North, South, London, or if you're going to visit land, come in England, from different country, you don't know, the 18th, I'm looking somewhere to go, the 18th, Zine, Black Pan Black, yeah man, Irish memories, it's going to be a slapper event, same year to year, so you don't know nothing normal. Now my viewers and subscribers, the artist are named Silk Boss, burst on the scene, you know what I mean, with a song named Life Story, and Mandkind, Zine, like him sound, I'm love how him getting breakthrough and now like him go up on stage and you know I was inspired. You see me? If I said I wasn't, I'm a liar. So I'm going to look a flashback at our music.
My dream for TSA. People fuck up mankind, though easy not feeling alone. And still them want my life here and the fucked up thing about it is me give me last and
yes man, those two music you can go watch a full video on YouTube, his YouTube channel, you know what I mean? Silk Boss. But more pay a big credit and praises to Terodan. You know, Terodan is also an artist, a vlogger. Zine inspire me as well. I also watch his channel before I decided to start vlogging. And music made me start vlogging up. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, but yeah. Listening to Silk Boss story and on stage, you know, him say Terodan hear music and reach out to him and say, yo, bad, come a town. Zine. And him never have no money for come a town. His mother say, boy, you know. His mother give him $2,000 and somebody else give him $2,000. And him get a lift come a town and this was history, greatness. Zine. So here we go.
Mandkind. What's the story behind this one?
Well, I'm on the same type of feeling. You know, when I go through a specific thing, a specific day, you know, and my mother looked for me and I said to me, say, my son, it don't make sense to get yourself in no trouble, you know, and go give up your freedom to suit nobody. You see that pain the way you feel, take you and write music because you say you love music. So put your pain in your music.
Your mom told you that?
My mommy.
Wow.
I'm there and I say, alright, I do what mommy say, you know.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and here we are going. Yeah, man. So, John Star, is it? He also stated Winfred asked him the next question. So, here Winfred asked him.
So speak to the response. How did your mom feel when she heard it?
Well, mommy cried. Every time I see my mother cry. From the day the video go viral, and I get the break, every time I see my mother and my mother and family, I make 4.
Wow.
I watch and mommy cry. Because mommy have it hard. 4 of mommy have it. My only boy, you know, the biggest one, you know. My father never did that for none of the 4 away, and she won with the 4 away.
Okay.
So mommy have it hard from my youth. And I looking at mommy eye and I tell mommy every day, say, mommy, I might get enough trouble, but I have to make you alright and can live life like people too. And can enjoy yourself and go anywhere you want to go. Me, if nobody else not do that for you, me they go do it for you because I'm your biggest son.
Yeah, man, the man say, yo, his mother, every time him go back to the country and his mother see him, you know, be 8 years in her eye, she can't believe her son make it. I get a little breakthrough. And I can relate because remember when me start the music seriously, 2007, 7, you know? Well, 2004, but 2007 was my first single. Suzy Q, big up yourself, can't stop big up the lady there, you know? Yeah. And my mother used to say me enough for the music because it's hard and it's rough and she afraid me go mad and them things there. Yeah, my mother tell me them things there. And I live to see the 2009 coming up onwards. 17, 18, my mother cry living in her water, say she proud of me, she hear me song from the radio and them things. They keep trying my son, you know? So she gradually start believing in me. You see me? And so me can relate when Silk Boss and mother cry every minute she see him. And up to today's days, me still a try. Because music is the only way I and I can better my life and help people. Because me not for myself, help others, you know, strangers and families. And, you know what I mean? Help my mother star. You see? But Silk Boss, I'm proud of you, brother. Proud that you inspire me and keep striving, stay out of trouble, and keep putting up good music. You see, my viewers and subscribers, yes man, so I just want to highlight that and say Silk Boss, stay focused. Terrodan and the team who record Silk Boss, spot the talent and record. Because enough you thought they have the talent and need help, they have no assistant. And if me can help someone like what Terrodan do, I'm ready. I am already doing it, but I don't know. We don't have the financial backing on them things, but we are doing it. Zina, I don't know, me have my independent label, Poor People Production, you know what I mean, and I record 1 and 2 young artists like myself, yeah, and yeah, you know what I mean, so big up Terrodan, big up Silk Boss and the whole team, keep striving, you stay out of trouble, Zine. Now my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about Jamaica and the crime and violence and the youth them, Zine, so me I say the big man them, as I can see in the heading, you know what I mean, the big man them let down the young ones them. See, yeah, the big man them let down the young ones them. And when I say now, I mean like that's all a meditation and I think back and I say, yo, over the years, you know, decades, the man them who have found badness from overseas are in Jamaica. I have people in Jamaica who wealthy have found badness same way, you know, buy a gun and a shot and all of them things there. If them they just do the opposite by putting some infrastructure, some things in place like, you know, jobs and sports and other ways where people, education-wise, where the youth them can deter from badness. Because enough you turn to badness because they don't have no choice, they don't have no hope, you see me? That's the only way that them see, you know? Yeah, man, the only way that them see out, you know, like badness, go thief, go wall up people at gunpoint or knife point for take for them one, you know? So enough of the youths them need help, them need, you know, guidance if you take the right path. But you have some people use the youth, them, the vulnerable ones, them, you know, bribe them for go fire gun and this contract killing and all of them things. So, because the youth them can get a quick 100,000 or a quick 50,000, you know what I mean, or a brand new pair of Nike from foreign or some suit or clothes and them sitting there. But I just sit down and a whole meditation. You know, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen Line and Lioness. I say, you know, I say, John Star. The intention of me have, you know, if everybody did have the same intention. But I know 7 brothers, 7 different minds. You know what I mean? But yeah, if the man them, and the woman them too, they just do the right things with the money to help another youth and uplift the garrison them and they get to them. Instead of depending on government and so, politicians. Maybe Jamaica would be a better place up to today, you know? No future are still living. You see me? You know, sometimes we have to learn to make bygones with bygones. And, you know, say John Tom kill my cousin. Me grow with have vengeance there. I use money to make John Tom get back killed or somebody for him, you know? And then it just has like a cycle, it won't stop. But I know what to think, my viewers and subscribers. I know what to think. But I ask you, please share that message, you know? Share it around, because I don't know, the words are powerful, you know? From the mouth, you know. Same like how the bad words them and the influence them come from the mouth and the youth them get encouraged and influenced and go do the bad. I saw the good words from the mouth can do the good, so I don't know, you can share this around and I love to hear your opinion on this matter and if you agree with me or not. That's it. I just look for reasoning still and I don't know, I want to love and respect. See, and big up on yourself. Stay safe and be good and don't know, one love. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Let me tell you why me put town first. A town of country artists come bust. Country no nice like town when a Christmas. That's why me have to put town on the list first.
You can't say anything what you want to say. Town no nice like country, no way. Town full of too much attention and gunplay. Me a pray for town be like country someday.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.